I'm Juan Figueroa, and I'm the president of the Universal Healthcare Foundation of Connecticut. The foundation is focused on getting a state bill or a state law that, in essence, provides for quality, affordable healthcare for every state resident here in Connecticut.
Okay. Now, why is that very important for people in Connecticut to have universal healthcare?
Well, look, the problem of people's inability to access quality, affordable healthcare is just getting bigger. Meaning, the problem is too big. It's affecting everyone. When I talk about everyone, I'm talking about the small business person who can't afford to insure their workers, the middle-class family, higher copays, higher deductibles, limitations in coverage. You're talking about people who are uninsured completely because they've changed jobs, they've lost a job, they have nowhere to go in terms of insurance. COBRA is too expensive. So you add all this stuff up, not to mention the fact that we're not competitive in the global marketplace because what? We have to tack on $3,000 or $4,000 to every GM car that we produce. No wonder they're going bankrupt. So look, there's a host of reasons as to why we need to fix the healthcare problem, from the fact that we need to fix it as part of our fixing the economy, to the fact that it's a moral issue in the sense that when you ultimately look at this, healthcare, as far as I'm concerned, is a right.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Healthcare is a right, and it should not be a privilege or a commodity, and we should all have access to proper, quality, affordable healthcare.
Okay. Now, what brings you down here to the Capitol today specifically?
Well, today the Universal Healthcare Foundation, in conjunction with a host of groups that we're working with, partners in our network, are hosting Sustinet Day at the Capitol. Sustinet is the name of the proposal that we have submitted to the legislature, in which today is a House Bill 6600. It's the bill that we're fighting to get the legislature to adopt and the governor ultimately to sign the bill. It's the most complete and comprehensive healthcare reform bill in this legislature, and it's one that's designed to position the state of Connecticut both as a model, but also in the best place possible when federal healthcare reform gets done later this year. So if you go to the website, and you go to this campaign website, healthcareforeveryone.org, you'll be able to get all the information about all the events, all the activities, and all the work that we're wanting people to do to get House Bill 6600 passed by this legislature and signed by the governor.